My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
It's cracking YouTube. It's me, your host Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bringing up a sneaker pickup / sneaker review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram, all in the description below. And it'll be right there, right next to me. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you will be notified. Alright, let's get to it. Second video of the day. I'm going to post both these videos today. If you haven't already, go check out my review for the women's Air Jordan 3 Lucky Greens. I will put like the little bubble thing at the top to show y'all, like, click on the link, but it's gonna be at the end of this video anyway, so because it's gonna put the most recent video at the end of this video, so go check that out. Just like the women's Air Jordan 3 was like a late review, this is a late review. Also, this came out this past Saturday, and so this is like almost 6 days. No, this is like almost 7 days late because it's Friday. So yeah, I think it came out Saturday if I'm not mistaken. Well, it might have came out Monday. I can't really remember when these dropped, but it wasn't that long ago. It was like a week ago or something like that. So first off top, you see this cement print box or whatever like that. I like that with this Jumpman logo in the middle, and it says Air Jordan Club, and this flight in the center of it. See that? And my box is beat to hell. Jesus, look at this. Look at that. Look at this. Look at this.
Broken.
Come on, Foot Locker. Come on, Foot Locker. Do better. Anyway, reads Air Jordan 5 Retro SE Craft. Color is Arc Wood, I guess. Safety Orange. I think that's the color. Suggested retail price was $210. Size 8.5. So you know what that means? Personal pair. No reseller here. Boom. Alright, so without further ado, let's get straight to it. We're going to go straight into this. Look like somebody tried this shoe on. I hate buying shoes that someone already tried on because the tag is, the pull tag is already out. I can't stand that. That's like one of my pet peeves. Like I like fresh pair.
Fresh pair.
No extra laces in here. So, alright, it is what it is. Alright, so without further ado, we got the, just make it look a little bit neat for y'all. We got the Air Jordan 5 SE Craft. Boom. Alright, so jumping straight into it because Classic said his back hurt. So let's jump straight into it. We got some information off of KicksOnFire.com. 1 second. Shout out to KicksOnFire.com. It reads, as most of you know by now, Jordan Brand will be dropping a brand new craft collection in 2023. As of right now, the Jordan Brown craft collection already includes an Air Jordan 4, Air Jordan 2, and Air Jordan 2 Low. Today we got word that an Air Jordan 5 will also be a part of the craft collection. The Air Jordan 5 SE Craft will come dressed in a light Orwood brown, safety orange, slate, pewter, and sail color scheme. The sneaker is constructed in a mix of materials that includes hairy suede overlays and a suede base that appears to come covered in a linear design. The tonal upper is then highlighted by the orange contrasting accents throughout, all while being placed atop an icy translucent outsole and your traditional Jumpman branding on the tongue and the heels. So, yeah. So, like I said, it's it's a hairy upper suede. It's two types of suede. Got the hairy upper suede, then you have this regular suede right there, almost like a cloth material, and it's like a designer. If you can see closer on that, kind of like a pattern going around the top of the toe cap right there. I like these laces. I do love the laces. The laces is a nice touch. Same pattern on the tongue but you have an orange Jumpman right there, and on the inside of it too, it's orange right there. This whitish sail color on the midsole. You see the shark teeth right there with a darkish gray, well, light dark gray with like speckles right there. Air bubble unit, translucent bottom right there. Jordan on the bottom also. Jumpman on the back, and I mean that's pretty much it. I mean I actually like this shoe. It's different. It's different. I like different shoes because it makes me really think about what outfit I'm gonna put with them. So I forgot to actually turn off the little thing, but I can cut that out anyway. Anyway, but yeah, I mean I like it. It's okay. It's a decent shoe. Nothing special about it. Classic, what you gonna give this grade?
8.5.
8.5. Wow. Why? So you like this shoe?
It looks like a cat.
Cause they're hairy suede.
And I like the bottom.
What's the bottom? The translucent?
Yeah, it looks blue.
Yeah. Translucent. Yeah. 8.5. Okay. I think this is the second shoe that, not of all time, but just today, that you gave it a higher grade than I have. Cause for the Air Jordan 3 Lucky Green, you gave it a 7, and I gave it a 6.5. Spoiler, go check out that video. But I gave it a 6.5. You gave it 7. You give it as an 8.5. I'm gonna get us a 7.5.
It's just the orange doesn't really match anything.
That's the one part you don't like about it.
Yeah.
And you know the funny thing is that's the only thing I really like about this. I mean, not a bad shoe. I love the laces. The laces is my favorite part. The laces and the orange, I love both of them, but I mean, it's okay. 7.5. I can't really go 8. I go 7.5, yeah, because I think 7's a little bit being stingy, but it's a good shoe. I'm gonna give it 7.5 only because I like that laces, the orange, and it's gonna make me think about the outfit. It's not something that I'm gonna easily throw together. So all in all, it's a good shoe. But okay, the classic gave it 8.5. That's a high grade for him. Well, y'all let me know in the comments below what y'all think about the Air Jordan 5 Craft, SE Craft. SE stands for Special Edition. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. And as always, from me, your host Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead, representing TKiccs, the whole Tune squad. You know what to do. Have a nice day.